Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a dashboard in Smartsheet. All right. First up, go ahead and go to the left panel, click on Create. And then here at the bottom, you have the dashboard option. So just click on it, wait for it to load, and just click on Get Started. All right. And here, as you can see, we have a ton of widgets. But before that, go ahead and go to Workspace Items. Here you have your dashboard. Just click on the three dots and hit on Rename. Okay. Maybe I'm going to name it YouTube Dashboard. There you go. Hit on Rename. Now, once that's done, go ahead and add in your widget. Okay. It could be a title. Click on it. When someone clicks on the widget, take no action, or open another site, or open a Smartsheet item. So I'm just going to leave it to take no action. I'm going to click on it, set the specific font. As you can see here, we have these fonts from Smartsheet itself. I'm just going to use Verdana and then Welcome. All right. Change the font size. Could be bold, italicized, underlined, and then change the color from here and center it if you want to. Now, going back, I'm just going to close this one. Then to add another widget, just click on the plus sign, add in a timeline, a report, an image, metric, chart, shortcut, or a rich text. Okay. Say an image. Just click on it, select an image. You can go ahead and upload straight up from your computer or connect your Google Drive, Box, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Okay. I'm just going to click upload from my computer. And then I'm just going to go ahead and select maybe this photo right here. Hit on open. Wait for it. There you go. Manage the fit right here. Actual size, fill, fit. All right. Fill is better. Now I'm going to go ahead and use margin or no margin. Title, add in a title if you want to. Maybe my setup. Show title. There you go. Widget behavior. When someone clicks this widget, take no action or open another site or open a Smartsheet. Okay. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in open another site. You can now go ahead and add in your URL right here. For example, I'm going to go ahead and leave the channel's URL right here. And then once done, don't forget to hit on save. All right. When I click on it, as you can see, I'm being landed to our YouTube channel. Okay. Please subscribe. Now going back, if you want to edit some more, just click on the pencil icon and click on Edit Dashboard. Drag and drop. There you go. Make it smaller if you want to, make it bigger by just using these points. And then add in some more if you want to, of course. Dashboard theme right here, just click on it and you have a ton of options, okay? Maybe forest. There you go. Maybe Starry Night, Deep Space, Standard, Classic, Rainbow, Sunny Surf, Retro. Okay? Or you can go ahead and create your own theme. Now, go to widget settings right here. Go ahead and select a widget. For example, the photo widget. You can change the settings from here. Okay. Maybe the title widget. All right. That's basically it. Go to file right here. Create new if you want to, or open any of your saved dashboard or save it from here. Okay. Refresh. Delete, share, print, publish, properties right here, the details of your dashboard. You have your dashboard ID, dashboard link, and some of the good stuffs. Okay. Untitled dashboard, rename it YouTube again, dashboard. And then once that's done, you can now go ahead and preview it. Welcome. Again, when you click on the photo right here, you'll be landed to the YouTube channel. Okay. Share. You can go ahead and share access to everything in the workspace. Okay. Which is right here, or just the dashboard alone. You can go ahead and click on it. Now, type down the emails manually, and then select the permission. Okay. It can be an admin or a viewer. Viewer, of course, they can just view it. Admin, they can edit it. Okay. And also, if you want to, you can just go ahead and straight up copy the link and send this to whoever you want. And there you have it. That is how you create a dashboard here in Smartsheet. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.